Alright, this is David Okamoto of Japan Commerce Corporation, videotaping the 1986 or 85 Honda City non-turbo, but in immaculate condition. Let me show you. It's over 100. I think it's turnover 101,000 or 110,000 or something. It shows 5-digit odometers with the low. Let me see. $198. 100. No. 19,800. Almost 20,000. So 120,000 kilometers. Runs super nice. Runs beautiful. And let me tell you, this little brackets like this, or I mean the plasticky things that always missing or misplaced, this has everything. I mean, and underneath of the tire well is in great condition, and interior beautiful condition, small diameter Audi, and the headline is missing. That's one thing, but the seats are very nice. And sorry, I put something in it, so I don't want to show you not much of the passenger seat, but the passenger seat is still good. This is the rear seat. This is the driver's seat. And once again, this little plastic shelf is in working order, and it's pretty nice. The kind of first thing that it goes bad or misplaced, or put it in an apartment and then moved and it's missing or something like that. But so the no accident car rear floor is nice, and all those rear is, the body structure is nice, and underneath of the tire well, I mean inside of the tire well, is in good condition, and paints are in excellent condition, but it's not, of course it's not original, but it's in I guess it's just recently painted it, so it's kind of great, but it's a repaint condition. It's not the original, but it's nice condition. It's got a sunroof, and it's got an AC, and it's a nice condition. Here's 1985 or 86, sorry, I forgot. The Honda Civic non-turbo 5-speed manual transmission, air conditioning. Thank you.